Whether you're looking for a deep soak or a cool-down seat experience, the Jacuzzi Play collection offers an affordable solution to make hydrotherapy a part of your daily ritual. Featuring 5 seats and a combination of sculpted and bench seating, the Mood hot tub offers total relief. This open seating model showcases easy-to-adjust two-toned jets and is packed with premium touches. Made of patented Syncrylic material, unibody construction, and full foam insulation, the Mood hot tub is as efficient as it is strong. 110-volt plug-and-play models are easy to install and move as needed. It's also easy to enjoy, from the patented simple filtration to the wear-resistant spa surface. The Jacuzzi Play Mood hot tub is perfect for anyone looking for a patio model and affordable hydrotherapy everyone can enjoy. Contact your local authorized Jacuzzi dealer today for availability on wet testing this model.